Hi there, my name is Giorgio Galeras, representing Crestron here at beautiful ISE here in Barcelona, 2024. Super excited to be here. Today, we're showcasing the newest edge devices to the DM-NAX lineup. As we expand our innovation into this lineup, we wanted to stretch what it means to bring entertainment everywhere. So let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're showing the new NAX BTio. This is on day one, a Bluetooth input device with a very intuitive user interface here and even 3.5 millimeter jack in and out. And then we also have, on day two, it'll be able to output a Bluetooth signal to a headphone, for example. So once you get that source on the NAX network within that protocol, you'll be able to pump it anywhere within the home. Here we have just a simple phone Bluetooth, and this is a lot of fun capabilities here. Over here, we have the NAX audiovisual. It does a very similar thing in the fact of you can put a USB signal onto the NAX network, and then boom, play that anywhere within your home. Here for this demo, we have a laptop, and again, once the audio is there, we're good to go. Also, 3.5 millimeter jack in and out as well. A big request that we get from our integrators and partners is the demand to get an analog device onto the NAX network so the whole home can enjoy the music. So here we have a beautiful vinyl player playing Daft Punk, one of my favorite music groups, and we have a balanced audio in with a Phoenix connector. Boom. So now this vinyl record player is playing everywhere within the home. And last, for a good little bit of fun here at ISE, we have a Karaoke Station with the XLR input and output plate. So we have this little setup here, and you'll catch us in some other videos singing and tuning along. This is great for DJ setups on yachts, commercial applications as well, and again, we're pushing what it means to bring entertainment everywhere. So within these all devices, there's a lot to learn and be entertained with. Please feel free to learn more at crestronhome.com.